Good day everyone. So for today's lesson 1 is we have the basic forms of a line. So it's just a continue last week's topic because last week I just informed you the formula, discuss it, what is the formula about of the basic forms of a line, and now we're going to discuss this and I will give you an example questions based on this topic. So again, we're going to recall first the formula. So for the first form is we have the standard form. So when we say standard form, the standard form of a line is equals to ax plus by is equal to c, where a and b are any positive integers and c is a constant term. So this is an example of a standard form. 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. Next, we have the slope-intercept form. So when we say slope-intercept form, we have this y is equal to mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So for the example equations, we have y is equal to negative 3x plus b, where negative 3 is our slope or m, and 6 is our y-intercept or b. Next, we have a slope of a line. So a slope gradient of a line is a measure of its steepness. So mo siya. So sa slope of a line, ang given diri is automatic 2 points. Mo siya ang example na 2 points. Mo siya. So formula again, m is equal to y squared minus y squared y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Where m is a slope, again slope si m. Slope is just a slope, and y sub 2 and y sub 2 x sub 2 is a point, and also y sub 1 and x sub 1 is a point. So we have an example here. Find the slope of the line through 2, 5 and 4, negative 4 and 3. So in the example, it shows 2 points. So we're going to identify first the first point. So automatic, the first point is the first mentioned the point. 2 and 5. So 2 is our x sub 1, 5 is our y sub 1. And then negative 4 is automatic our second point, the x sub 2, and 3 is the y sub 1. So again, so after na ito may identify ang formula, ato na siyang i-substitute. So again, y sub 2 is equal to 3, and y sub 1 is equal to 5, and x sub 2 is equal to negative 4, and x sub 1 is positive 2. So ito siyang i-minus 3 minus 5, and negative 4 minus 2. So automatic, when you say 3 minus 5 is equal to negative 2, and negative 4 minus 2 is equal to negative 6. So meaning, our slope is 1/3 kung ato na siyang i-lowest term. Ano na siyang form. So lowest term na ito na siya, automatic, mag-divide siya both side of 2. So negative 2, automatic positive na siya because negative 2 divided by negative 6 is positive. So negative 2 divide both sides by negative. Negative 2 divided by negative 2 is equal to 1, and negative 6 divided by negative 2 is positive 2. So that's why that is the slope of a line. Next, we have the equation of a line. Point. Point slope formula. So we have y minus y sub 1 is equal to m minus times x minus x sub 1. So our m again is always our slope. There's a question here. When to use point slope formula? So kung saan nato gamiton kung si point slope formula. So when a slope and a point are given. So magamit ang point slope formula if ever ang given is usa ka slope m and point na x and y. So that's it. I just recall it. So we're going to discuss now the example equation. So for the first, again, this is an example equation. I mean, example question is for the basic forms of a line. So let's have rule number 1. So I will turn off my camera now. So which of the following equation is written in standard form? Again, so when you say standard form, wala na siya yun. So when you say standard form, i-hide. we say standard form, as automatic katong ax plus by equals c. So, muna siya ang standard form. So, ito siya ang standard form. Ax plus by is equal to c. So, automatic. Ato ni siyang pangitaon na form sa atong choices. So, as you can see, sa letter A is y is equal to 4x minus 2. It can be a standard form, pero kani atong pangitaon na form. Kaya kani pa siya, ato pa siyang i-simplify para mahimo siyang inganan na form. So, for number 1, the answer is automatic. Letter C, because 5x plus 7y is equal to 10. It shows the standard form. So, wala siya sa number 1. Standard form. Let's have number 2. On the equation, di ko can write, but I will try it first. Wait a minute. I will create na lang another video for this example question.